heritage sites, right? I mean, that's some feat, and also congratulations on the choir, 100 years. That's pretty spectacular. It's probably worth mentioning as well. My dad's side of the family, my grandmother, my dad's mum, was born just down the road in Abersachan. Yeah. Anybody from Abersachan in tonight? Oh, you. The Pierce family, they were quite well known for their musical abilities. Actually, I think Paul, my dad's cousin, was the accompanist for the Pontypool Male Voice Choir in the 40s and 50s, I believe. You need to check that. But so there we are. Well, it's nice that the weather's been kind for us this evening. And I always say, wherever I travel around the world, nowhere really beats the homeland. So there's a song next. This next song is a little Welsh classic, My Little Welsh Home. I am dreaming of the mountains of my home, of the mountains where in childhood I would roam. I have dwelt 'neath southern skies where the summer never dies, but my heart is in the mountains of my home. I can see the little homestead on the hill. I can hear the magic music on the rill. There is nothing to compare with the love that once was there in that lonely little homestead on the hill. I can see the quiet churchyard down below, where the mountain breezes wander to and fro. And when God my soul will keep, it is there I want to sleep, with those dear old folks that loved me long ago. With those dear old folks that loved me long ago. I'll be back later with some more, but now I'll leave you with Gareth.